Okay, a lot of you fellas know that I've been messing with different radio receiver packages, trying to find an economical package so I could have a separate transmitter for each tank. And one of the features that I've been looking for that most of these radios come with is volume control from the transmitter. They've all got pots. That's why today I want to talk about a little product called the Viper from RC Tanks Australia. That's Kevin Granum. Now this is the Viper unit, and what this does is give me volume control for my transmitter, and I haven't heard this unit talked about very much on the forum, and as far as I can tell, it doesn't seem like a lot of guys are using it. But these are ridiculously cheap. It was $20 US. Kevin's got free shipping worldwide, and I have never seen an upgrade or modification that is more plug and play and easier than this, that gives such a great value for 20 bucks. All I have to do is take my new Jagdtiger that runs on the IBU that I got from Ian, and this is the same kind of radio that Ian sells. It's just the Hobby King T6 6-channel. I've got the programming cable for it and all that crap. But all you do is unplug the stock volume knob. Now on some tanks like my Jagdpanther, that is underneath the tank, and you want to talk about a real pain, man. But you unplug the stock knob from the IBU2 or the TK22 or the stock unit, or well, you can't use it on stock, it's not. But you unplug the stock volume switch, plug one end of the Viper in. It's got a JST plug on one end and a servo connector on the other. The other servo connector on this one, it goes to channel 5, because that's the pot I'm using. This has a pot for channel 5 and 6, which means that I could use the TPA unit that Ian has, and I've been thinking about checking that out. That'll be a different story, but maybe at the end of this. Anyway, that's it. That's all you got to do. That's the whole installation of the Viper. Now, I'll get some two-sided tape and find a place to stick it down and, tidy up the wires and all that. But that's basically all it takes to change over to have volume at the transmitter. I'm going to use the machine gun sound to demonstrate for you. All the way down. All the way back up. And that's it. That's all it took to get volume control at the transmitter. And like I said, the TPA unit that Ian has that lets you put in 2 speakers, that has 2 volume controls. And these T6 radios, like Ian sells, just happens to have 2 pots, so you could still have your 2 volume controls. I don't know though, I want to use one of these pots to make my machine gun move back and forth with a servo, and we'll have to see how that plays out. But I'm wondering why more guys aren't using the Viper. I just think it's a great setup. What I've been thinking about for the Jagdtigers, I've got 2 of these 1-inch speakers that are supposed to be really good. I was thinking about mounting them to the bottom of the upper hull right there, one on each side. And then I would maybe try that TPA unit that Ian has and see how that works. I don't know. Would you guys like to see me spend money on a video for that? So let me know. How come more guys aren't using the Viper? Or are you and I just don't know about it? Let me know. See you next time.